Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my mother-in-law is making this nice looking piece of meat with all these whatever they are on top of it. So anyways, I'm gonna ask her what this is called and stuff. It's an Italian dish. Mamma, bracciole. And what's this? Parsley,
prezzemolo, parmesan, peperoncino,
right?
gauri.
So it's got parsley, that's the green leaves, and it's got cheese. It's got what is it? Parmigiano, and it's got obviously Scotch bonnet because I like it spicy, and then a little bit of salt. So she's gonna roll it with these strings, and yeah, I'll show you guys how it's gonna be cooked because I don't know. I'm a bit like intrigued, but I just thought it looks really nice. So yeah, that's Mama there cleaning. Okay, she's rolling it now, guys. So let's see how it's done. Okay. I mean, my mother-in-law loves cooking and she's just very active. She loves cooking, she loves cleaning, she just likes to be active, and I think that's really good, especially at her age. She's really yeah, she's really active. Okay, so that's how she's tying it. Ooh, we're in for a treat today, guys. You need the scissors. So she needs the scissors. Like, I've never had this dish before. She's never cooked it before, so it's the first time. So yes, can't wait to taste it. So Mama, I'll be back. So she's used 4 of these peel plum tomatoes. As you can see they're here. Like, I'm like, why do we need all this tomato sauce? And then she's used one of this passata as well. So she said we need all this tomatoes for this dish. So we're just gonna wait, like me, let's just wait till the end and see how everything's gonna come together. So she's put the steak in olive oil and she's just gonna let it simmer. And then we'll see what happens next. I'm just
3 ore cooking.
Oh, 3 hours. She said it takes 3 hours to cook this dish. Come here. So yeah, so we're just gonna see what it looks like. Piano, slowly. Wow. So now she's boiling the pasta. Which pasta is it, Mama?
Sì.
Which pasta? Che pasta?
Penne rigate.
Penne rigate.
Ma va bene tutta la pasta, rigatoni, tutta la pasta che sia abbastanza doppia, grossa.
So after you boil it, you're gonna put it in the oven.
Bollire, mettere mozzarella sauce.
Sì.
E poi in the oven. Come si chiama?
In the oven, yeah. In the oven. Right, so yeah, she's gonna boil it, and then after I think she's gonna mix everything together.
180 gradi.
And then put it in the oven for 30 minutes. And
30 minuti. 180.
Yeah,
180.
Yeah.
180 degrees as well in the oven, yeah. Cool. So it's all coming together now, so can't wait to see the end results, and I'm sure you guys can't wait as well. Oh yeah, so that's the sauce and this the meat all mixed together. Braccioli. I'll show you guys. So she's now gonna put it into okay, so now you have the tomato sauce. There goes the ricotta. So she's mixing everything together, adding some black pepper. This is gonna be cheesy and yummy. Like, I know it. I am going to eat till I drop today, basically. I think I'll be trying this one. So she's gonna mix everything together and then she's gonna put it in the oven. She's gonna put it here and then put it in the oven. So she's already preheat the oven. So you're gonna put it in the oven now?
Yeah.
See?
See.
Okay. See. Posto. So it goes in the oven now for half an hour and we'll be ready for us to eat. So the pasta is now finished. So it's nicely baked and golden on the top, and she's just warming up the meat stew, and then look at him there. Go on, honey, it's alright. So it's more like yeah, pasta bake. Yum. So what about the meat then? We're going to have the meat. Oh, adorable. Right, okay, apparently we're just gonna have the pasta first and then the meat you have it later, whereby if it's me I'll just have all of them together on one plate. And this one here, he's in heaven. Heaven. Mommy's boy, his mom's cooking for him, feeding him, and he's just loving it. Don't act like you're shy, because you're not. Go on, Baba. Good boy. And meanwhile, Lynn is sleeping on his high chair because he's tired.